Another day, another IPO in this bull season. Today we are covering Muthoot Microfinance, which is backed by the 130-year-old Muthoot Papachan Group. It is the fifth largest NBFC microfinance institution in India, and it provides loan to women in the rural areas. It has its presence in 18 states with 1330 branches and over 12,000 employees. They have disbursed total loan of 10,800 crores to their 32 lakh customers. What Muthoot Microfin essentially does is that they operate in a Grameen model wherein they give joint liability loans to a group of 10 to 15 women. The average ticket size for this loan is around 51,000 rupees, which they have to pay back in a 24-month EMI scheme. The company operates in a model of financial as well as digital inclusion. So Muthoot provides loan to women in economical weaker section of society, to the so-called non-financially included, and they also increase the wallet share in their existing customers by other kinds of loans. They provide loans across the life cycle need of the customer. So it could be a home improvement loan, it could be income generation or a business focused loan. Muthoot has their in-house tech capability, and their loan disbursement, their loan origin system, loan management system is all built in-house. 100% of their loan disbursement is digitized and goes directly to their consumers' bank accounts. 33% of the collection as of today is digitized, and out of the 32 lakh women customers, 15 lakh women use the Mahila Mitra app. So there's plenty of ease of business, and the customer is empowered by the digital inclusion as well. 51% of the company's AUM comes from South, and they're also expanding in North, where now 9% of their AUM comes from UP and 10% comes from Bihar. The number one state is Kerala, definitely, but if I look at the overall regional bifurcation, South accounts for 56%, North accounts for 20.8%, East at 13.3%, and West is close to 9.8%. Well, let's have a look at the IPO details. The face value is an impressive 10 rupees per share. The price band is rupees 277 to 291 per share. The lot size is 51 shares. The total issue size is 960 crores, and the fresh issue out of this is 760 crores. And the OFS bid is 200 crores. The IPO opens on December 18th, closes on December 20th. The allotment is on 21st December, and the listing date is just after Christmas, 26th December. Let's have a look at the financials. The company is on a growth trajectory. The AUM growth is pretty impressive as well. In FY21, the AUM grew by 3%, in 22 by 25%, in 23 it has grown by 47%. They've grown 36% CAGR in the last 3 years, and their distribution system is also increasing. 260 branches added last year, 160 branches added in the 6 months of this year. They added 7.5 lakhs customers last year and 4 lakhs in the last 6 months. Now the revenue has increased from 696 crores in 21 to 843 crores in 22 and 1450 crores in 23. The profit after tax has also been on the increase. From 21 to 23, we've seen the profits rising from 7 crores to 47, which is almost 7 times, and 4x from 22 to 23 to around 164 crores. The reserves are also seeing an increasing trend, and the borrowings have reduced in 2023. If we look at the key ratios, the Muthoot Microfin has a PE of 24.96, which is well within the median industry PE of 27. The ROE definitely has a long way to go, but it stands at a 11.06%. The debt to equity typically for a microfin company should be under 3. It's on the higher side, and the EPS is close to 12 rupees. Right now, the GMP is 100 rupees, and one can expect a listed gain of around 35 to 50% on this one. The competitors for Muthoot Microfin are Equitas, Ujjivan, and Credit Access Grameen. Let's look at the risks and strengths. A few of the risks here are category of customers, that is services, because they don't have a credit score. It's most of the times it's their first loan. Then also there's a heavy dependency on the southern states. Around 56% of their revenue comes from the southern states. They're also vulnerable to interest rate risk. One of these major strengths is that they have the collection efficiency of close to 96% in 2023, and they also have a very low NPA percentage. They have diversified their funding profile. They are a renowned and a reliable group as well. Now the verdict. The verdict is, based on everything that I see, definitely the company is growing in terms of revenue, in terms of PAT. The company is poised to grow further. I am going to apply to this IPO for listing gains at this moment, but I'll continue reading more and more about this company and then see if it fits my long-term portfolio. Thank you so much for watching. I will be covering all IPOs which are upcoming in detail. Do subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. Thank you.